Hi guys, this is Mary. Welcome to Tuesdays with Cricut Expression on Cardz TV. Today we're going to use 2 Cricut cartridges and the Cricut Expression to make our birthday card. We're going to use elegant edges and create a critter. And for the sentiment for our little birthday card, because it's going to have a little teddy bear on it, but not this one, we're going to use wishing you a happy Bear-Thday. So I'll get what we need over here and we'll get started on our birthday card. For our card base, which is an A2 or 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card base, we've got this beautiful teal blue. And I wanted to use elegant edges for my matte and shadow. So I turned over to page 37. And this is the pretty gingham oblong, which matches that teal blue perfectly. And my papers came from Echo Park, guys. And then I used white for the shadow. And I cut the shadow and the matte at 4.5 inches. I'm going to take my art glitter glue and get these adhered together and get them on the front. And you can see I've already used some Memento Tuxedo Black ink and my Cardz TV Teddy Bears Rock stamp set. And I stamped wishing you a happy birthday. I think that's really cute. I just love these blues. They're so pretty. Now for our little bear, I went to create a critter. And the bear I used is this cute little bear on page 27. But I didn't want that little red shirt or dress. I'm not sure which it is. So I just cut the background of my bear. I'll go ahead and show you the layers. I cut the background right here out of black. Then layer 1, I cut out of a light brown. And layer 2 is a darker brown. And they're going to go together just like this. And I cut my little bear at 3 inches. So I'll go ahead and get him put together with some art glitter glue. And he's going to go right there. Isn't he cute? Here's my darling little bear all put together. I've got him on some foam tape. But before I stick him down, I wanted to give him a balloon. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. But I didn't want to use this little teddy bear balloon that's on that same page. So I turned over to page 30. It's the page with the snake. I don't like that snake. Anyway, I cut this balloon at 3.5 inches. Now, I cut the back of the balloon with the string on it out of white. And then for the top of the balloon, which is layer 1, I cut it out of this light and dark, kind of a pinkish red polka dot. And as I said, I cut all of that at 3.5 inches. I'm going to get this together. And I'm going to go ahead and stick my little bear's hand to that balloon, so that I get it on the front of my card exactly right. So I'll go ahead and get that done. Now I've got my balloon attached to my little bear exactly the way I want it. And I'm going to go ahead and take that backing off the foam tape and get this adhered to the front of the card. And then we'll come back and take a final look at this cute little birthday card. Here's our quick and simple but so cute little birthday card using Create a Critter and Elegant Edges and Cardz TV Stamps Teddy Bears Rock. I think it's really, really cute, and you saw how easy it was to put this together. And I used my Cricut Expression to cut out all the layers, and it just went together in a snap. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Thank you so much for coming by today. I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.